Hey there, welcome to our affiliate program. My name is Mujadid Naeem and I am the CEO of Facia. We just celebrated our 1-year anniversary, and if you're here with me now, you are truly on the ground floor. I just wanted to personally welcome you to the incredible journey that lies ahead. We are the first in the industry to offer a comprehensive affiliate program with a 90-day cookie. Your earning potential is substantial, and you won't find a more generous B2B offer that will support you in your success as we are going to do here. So let's get started. Before you begin promoting, you might want to familiarize yourself with the product by trying out the demo, review some of the use cases we are supporting, and familiarize yourself with our technology. I recommend starting with the videos below. The first is a lab video for Facia. The second one, you'll find it's an overview of our features and our competitive advantage. Give the demo a try yourself and witness the fastest liveness detection technology in the world. We are also sharing some of the incredibly effective assets that have helped us land some big brands. Our public launch is on the horizon, but for now, you will be sending traffic to a very tight, frictionless, irresistible offer in the industry. Our landing page has been tested and proven to convert leads at over 22%. If you have an email list or a large social following, we are an emerging brand and your opportunities are only limited by your reach and effort. Your job is just to drive the traffic and we'll take care of the rest. And by the way, your cookie lasts 90 days. Our sales cycle is 30 days. The more shots you take, the more likely you are going to collect checks on autopilot. We have a tiered program, and even at tier 1, your earning potential could go up to $10,000 with just 3 contracts. You can send those leads via links, or manually submitting the form, or using the promotional code, have them fill who referred you form on our site. Your leads are safe with us. Welcome to the team, guys. Look forward to working with you and we can grow together.